Alright guys, still something different. I'm going to show you how I post things for eBay. So here a bunch of bunker gear I picked up. You saw my last little short. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you with this pair right here. So this pair here is a little bit small. But what we do here, we lay it out flat. Oops, sorry. I am in a puddle, unfortunately, from my dang vacuum. We're gonna pop open the zipper here, flake it out, put this number 8 in between the legs. Now, we hop up, get out of the dang light, take a picture. Flip it over. Keep that little 8 right there showing. Flake it out. Get out of the light. Take a picture. Now this thing had some damage on it, as we saw in one of the earlier quick adjustments. What we do then, flip this guy over. I'm going to go back to that little hole. Where was it? I know I saw it. Where was it? I could have sworn there was a... On the backside? Whatever. Alright, so we use an example right here. So cut here. Put that 8 right there, showing the rip. There's number 8 in my entire setup right now. Then we come inside the crotch here, and we're going to look for the build date. And there it is. So, this one was built in 2013, made in 2013. You know, the size right there. We'll pick this 8, put it right there, take a picture. From there on, we got to do a little more fancy stuff. But hold on. All right. Now from here, we're going to fold this bad boy up. So I'm going to borrow a plank over here. I'm going to spin you guys around. Alright, plank buddy. Hold it in place. We're going to fold his leg. Fold the gear in. Fold the legs over. Fold the crotch over. Push down a little bit. Get yourself a bag. I'm going to use a trash bag here. Nice little whip. Put it inside of this bag. Now we know it's number 8, so I don't have to worry about that. We're going to take our vacuum. Oh yeah, where I put that damn thing? There it is. Have our little box here ready. Ship everything with priority mail, because the boxes are dang good. Alright, we're going to take this guy, put it deep, take our number 8 out, and suck. Alright, we're going to twist it. Put a little knot in here. Now, we got a little box. Slide it all in. Now we have enough room. Oh, unfortunately, I just ripped the corner a little bit there. we're gonna be quick. We're going to come on. Yeah, your adhesive sometimes will screw with you. I'm not too good on camera because I'm working as prime now. Alright. Just like that, you gotta seal that. I like using clear tape, but unfortunately I ran out, so I'm gonna use this guy right now. Hopefully, UPS, well, no, mine's a little dark tape. Not doing good. Yep. Got that side. Alright, all sealed up. Take our pen. Put an 8 on there. And there we go. Now that will go just like that. Look at the size difference. Look at that big chunkish right there. That would not fit in that box normally. But by sucking all the air out, we one, give a better water lock on it, and two, make it so it fits in the box so it's cheaper. So ordinarily I use a large flat rate. Now I can save like $5 to $8. And there we go. So ironically, the big chungus I showed was the very first one that sold. I've already sold 2 of those old pants. One went for $60, one went for $50. So yeah, I'm already about 3/4 through my initial investment. I gotta sell one more, and then it's all profit. You gotta love it.